Hello, everybody. Bobby Francis here for Full Tilt Weather. We're going to be talking about California today. As I told everybody, we're going to start extending into other parts of the United States. There is currently a 2% tornado risk out along the central south side of California. Uh, this is just extending with all the rain bands that are going to be coming through this area. Some of the wind is favorable for spin up tornadoes. Uh, Severe weather in this is pretty unlikely due to the 400 to 700 megajoule cape. But some 60 mile per hour winds could be possible on decaying cells as they move into less favorable environments. This area is already under a flood watch, and there are numerous flood warnings along this line currently. We're going to go ahead and talk about the flooding possibility first. This is what's expected over the next 24 hours. Don't forget, this is not going to be rain because this is along the high mountain range. This is snow. Pretty well guaranteed. This is your rain band possibilities. As you can see, some of these areas are expecting up to 5 inches in areas that are already flooded. This is a highly likely possibility. We're going to go ahead and push this out to 48 hours. As you can see, this continues over the next 3 days. Actually, it more than likely will continue over the next 9 days. Mountain ranges up here have already seen areas that have gotten well over 7 feet of snow already. I-5 is shut down through the northern part of California currently with large amounts of snow. Much of this is probably snow right around Wayne, that area. And then you have all of the rain right on the coast. Okay, so we're going to go over and we're going to look at tornadic probability. So the National Weather Service has a 2% out. Usually, if you get up around 60 or 70, they'll put a 5 or a 15% out. The National Weather Service uses a very unusual formula for formulating tornado probability. It's really odd. The truth of the matter being, we're dealing with about a 21 to 32% chance. That's basically what it is, and this stuff will be rain wrapped. 100% guarantee, wrapped in rain. Tornado will not be visible, and the NAM has been picking up probabilities a little bit south of where the 2% is for the National Weather Service currently, because that's down around this area right here, just west of Bakersfield on 5. We're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the low. So here is our current GFS. As you can see, large amounts of rain across the west coast, all the way from about San Diego extending into west of Seattle, Washington right now. This has been a common trend in our new polar vortex signatures that we're seeing as we begin to swing into the new cycle right now. And as you can see, that continues for quite a long time, a very long time. We're moving further and further out with a southern base low expected. We're out to the 18th with a small chance of breakage there. And most models have been pushing this out to about the 17th or 18th to stay a very critical situation. That appears to be about where it stops. The American, the Icon, the German-based models, the Canadian-based models are all thinking around the 18th. Maybe all this large-scale flooding begins to break away, and we can move back into a normal cycle with our lows ejecting over Oregon and Washington State. But overall, that's basically what we're looking at right now. Let's try to pull up some model runs. Yeah, we're 4 minutes into this. Let's go ahead and pull in some model runs. Just to take a look at this, we're going to go reflectivity, 21 out. Let's go more like in the afternoon. Oh, here. 22 out, right in this area. So this is that band that's expected to possibly be tornadic along this area. As you can see, wide rain band. Any tornadic probability along this line will more than likely be wrapped in rain. And most models are now pushing this northern part to be less likely, and the better chance to be from San Jose down to around just north of Los Angeles. So this is our primary area right here. As you can see, we continue to push it. Same thing, this is all the snow beginning on the mountain range at that point. You have large rain bands moving over the city at this current time. Most models are expecting over this same area of probable tornado, there being anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of rain occur over the next 24 hours. This is our current probability for this area. And here's your low for the severe weather and severe weather over the southeastern side of the United States. But that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Thank you all for watching. Y'all all have a blessed day. I'm Bobby, and I'm out of here.